What's good, chat? It's your boy Jace, and I'm back with another live for you guys. So I don't really have nothing else to post today. So this is part two. Oh, I don't even think I put that in the title, but it's all good. This is part two of AI helps me learn how to trade. Um, Yesterday I went on a little bit of a rampage of research. You know what I'm saying? Show my notebook. I did like 7 pages yesterday. Like it was crazy. Uh, so so yeah. Uh, so basically, what I'm gonna do today is help y'all catch up on what I've learned so far since yesterday. Um, so I'm gonna go to Chatgpt right now and go to the chat. Uh, and also, I found out a way to per trade. If you don't know, it's just through Trading View. Um, I was gonna start a little bit earlier today, but uh, I did my haircut, so this is the time that I felt was best. So, what was the last thing I left off with you guys? I think it was damn, one sec, y'all. One sec. Damn, that's a good question. Hold up. I'm gonna go to the live right now.
What's good, y'all?
Oh shit, my fault. Going to the live right now.
News, earnings, and economic data. Some questions. I don't know. Just make up some shit. How can you predict the way the market is going?
Okay, so I was on the right one. You can't predict that. You just got to use strategies. Okay, so the next question I have for ChatGPT was, what is the easiest strategy to learn and to use when day trading and to make high profits off of? Um, the answer it gave me, it says the easiest and most effective way of day trading is momentum trading. How it works is you scan for top gainers, wait for a pullback or breakout, enter early, set stop loss, and take profits. Um, it says the reason why it's so good is because it's easy to learn, works well with free tools like TradingView or Think or Swim scanners, can reduce high profits if managed risks and trade only strong setups. Uh, so, and the extra tip that it gave is only trade when volume and news and trend all align. Never chase after a big run up. Wait for a dip or a confirmation. Okay. Then the next question I have is how to read candles. This was a big question for me because, um, like looking at a chart as a beginner, you want to know what this means or that means. You know what I'm saying? Or for anything that you do in life as a beginner. Um, so, um, as we know, hold up, is it able to- as we know that this is what a candle looks like. You got the high and you got the low. Um, I know for certain colors, red, say this is a red candle. Um, I think the top of the box would be the opening, the open price, and then the bottom of the box would be the closed price, and then the lowest of the candle is how far the candle went, and the highest is how the highest that the candle went. So yeah, get y'all a good look at that. Hold on. And then some of what it's saying as well. You got Doji, Hammer, Shooting Star, and then Golfing. That's what those mean. So yeah, I wrote all that in my book yesterday. I wrote like so long. I wrote for like 2 hours straight. Um, yeah, I looked up all the terminology and the and what it means because that's what you need when you begin in trading, bro. Trading is not just about making profit; it's about how much you actually know. So, uh, and I need to know a lot, you know, as if I want to become a profitable trader. Um, we just had one person in here come back, dog. No, fine. Uh, are you able to buy and sell at whatever price you want to? Um, the answer was you can choose the price that you want to buy or sell at, but the market decides if your if your order gets filled, if that makes sense. Market orders, you can buy or sell instantly at the current market price. Um, Limit orders, you set at the exact price you want to buy or sell. Example like $100 or sell at 110. Um, you got stop orders or stop loss, used to automatically sell or buy when the price hits a certain level. So yeah, are you able to sell even if you haven't bought? Oh, a question that I wanted to know is that are you able to sell even if you haven't bought anything? The answer was yes, basically. So yeah. Um, how do I set my stop loss and stop wins? I think. Oh, I found out how to do that. One day I want to. One day I want to. I'm gonna learn how to like screen record, like show my screen at the same time as I'm live. I'm only on one laptop, so that's probably the issue right now. Is that I need like a monitor or something so y'all could see like two different things at once. Uh, so yeah, I got that. What are swing highs and swing lows? Thank you for the like. I appreciate you for viewing. We're just learning the basics right now, the fundamentals of everything. Took notes just from the channel, bro. Oh, much appreciated, Brody. Appreciate you. All love. Uh, swing highs and swing lows. Swing high is a swing high is a peak on the chart, a point where the prices rise and then reverses downward. It's a temporary top where before a pullback or drop. Swing low is a dip in the chart, a point where the price falls, then reverses upward. It's a temporary bottom before rising again. That's what swing highs and swing lows are. It's more to it. I'm gonna show you more to the swing highs. This is all Chatgpt. Everybody, oh my god, the glare is bad. Let me see. My fault, y'all. And swing low. So y'all can see that. I'm on an older laptop, so it's kind of hard. But I'm gonna invest in everything soon to make content better for you guys. I'm only gonna be on here for like 30 minutes, y'all. So already 12 minutes so far. So a few more questions and probably time will be up at that time by that time. So uh swing lows. I also found out I heard like a lot of traders talking about brokerages. So I wanted to ask, do you need a brokerage to trade? And you do need a brokerage to trade. There are free sources like Webull. Um, what's another one? There's Webull. Damn, it's all on TradingView though. You could look on TradingView. And yeah, it's all on TradingView, and you're able to see who's free or not. Uh, but there might be some backdoor uh, things you have to pay for. But yeah, um, so yeah, I think I'll be with Weeble. It's all good. And then I learned the time frames between each market. So like, uh, I got it all written down, but I learned the New York session, the Asian session, London, and New York. New York is basically our session, I believe. But yeah, as you can see, I asked for all the terminology that it could give me. Hold on. All right, now I got it. All the terminology. I wrote that down for hours yesterday and some more things. But if y'all want to pause and take notes, or y'all could just ask ChatGPT yourselves and it will probably show up the same way. But yeah. Okay, so what's another question I asked? What's another question I asked? For each strategy that traders use, what should they be looking for when they're using a strategy to make the best option to either buy or sell. So for scalping, the goal is to capture small price movements within seconds or minutes. Okay. Um, and this strategy is best used for like faster markets like forex or index, so like SP 500 or Nasdaq, things like that. um, Number two, momentum training. The goal for that is to ride the wave of a strong price move. um, the tip for that was to enter when volume confirms the breakout, not just the price. Okay. And it gives more information uh, on what to look for with in these answers as well. Um, but I don't want to bore y'all, and this it's going to take mad long to read all of it, as we're already at 16 minutes. So, um, number three, breakout trading. The goal for that is to enter right when the price breaks out and out of a key level. Okay. Um, Tip for that was best trades happen when breakout aligns with overall market trend. Number four is reversal. The goal for that is profit when the price bounces back from overbought or oversold levels. Um, so what you're looking for in that is like a sideways trend, uh, or range bound market. Five is swing trading. The goal for that is to catch multi-day, multi-week moves within trends. Combines technical patterns with patience. And six is news trading. Uh, you trade based on major news or economic data. It's high risk, high reward though, and great for advanced traders. I need to talk more clear, bro. Like, it's irritating me. I keep stuttering and shit. Like, I need to get used to this live shit. I'm not used to this live at all, bro. I'm gonna get used to it though. I be nervous a little too much. It's killing my vibe a little bit. But next question is, I asked about the psychology of a trader. Um, like what should a trader how a trader should think when going into trades, and to like help them the best way possible. Um, the answers they gave me is trade like a machine, not on emotion. I think that's kind of self-explanatory. Um, don't let fear or greed make your decisions. Follow your strategy and plan, and not your feelings. So number two is accept that losses are normal. Everybody that knows, if you ever played a sport or you gambled or anything, losses are inevitable. It's gonna happen. Um, so you just roll with the punches. Just stay confident in your strategies and roll with the punches. Uh, Hopefully your next trade will be a winning trade. Um, be patient and not impulsive. Wait for high quality setups, not constant trades. Overthinking or overtrading kills accounts faster than bad analysis. Ooh, that was a good one. Four is take control above all. So risk 1 to 2% of your account maximum. Uh, Small consistent gains is better than big one-time wins. Focus on protecting capital. Profit follows discipline. Um, 5, stay humbled and adapt. Markets change. Your strategy must evolve too. Review trades daily that worked, that didn't. Um, Never think you mastered the market. 6, focus on the process, not profit. Um, think in probabilities, not guarantees. Track your setups, win rate, and risk to reward ratio. The more consistent your process, the more consistent your profits will be. 7, stay calm under pressure. Um, the market can swing very fast. Your reactions shouldn't. Um, Breathe, slow down, recenter. Emotions can spike. Um, if you're feeling anxious or angry, step away from the screen. Probably just log off at that point. Exit the trade, log off. Uh, for about an hour or so. Get yourself some time to cool down because you don't want to emotionally trade. That's what messes up people. Uh, okay. So the next question I have, it was kind of the same question that I asked earlier, just in different wording, which is the most strategic way of reading and trying to predict either a buy or a sell. Um, Number one is identify the market direction. Um, so like the uptrends, downtrends, sideways, things like that. Number two was confirm the price action. Um, so like bullish candles or near support, bearish candles with the near resistance, breakouts or rejections. Number three is use volume to confirm strength, which means rising volume equals strong move, low volume equals weak move or fake out. Um, Number four, combine indicators smartly. RSI plus moving average. RSI. I'm going to tell you what RSI means. Put that down. Uh, where is that? It's relative strength. The RSI is relative strength index, measures what the fuck did I write? Yo, yo, I might need to rewrite this, dude. It's in here somewhere. Measures overbought, overbought or oversold conditions. My fault, y'all. I'm acting slow. Uh, bro, sometimes it be like that though. I I remember in school, them kids that used to slap you right, bro. I never understood how they could understand what they're writing themselves, bro. I don't think they could. They just did it to do it. Um, and the teachers accepted it on some lame shit because they would have gave you, bro. I wrote like that though. Uh, so RSI plus moving average, MACD cross. I wrote that too, but I'm not. Look at that no more. Number 5, let's watch key levels, support and resistance. Uh, Support zones like where buyers defend. Um, Resistance zones where sellers defend. And confirmation candles. Um, 6 is follow the market sentiment. Check news, economic data, and the market tone. Uh, so yeah, but that's about it. Yeah, I had AI create me some visuals of what things will look like. If I can see if it focuses. So yeah, uh, had it create me a few photos throughout yesterday, um, so I could know what I'm looking at. You know what I'm saying? And not just going by words. Sometimes actually seeing helps more than just reading or hearing. So that's about it. Just chilling today. Like I said, I ain't have nothing else to post today, so I just wanted to get on live and show y'all what I caught up on yesterday, and what I learned. Um, so yeah, I also find out how to what was it? How to paper trade through TradingView. If y'all need a tutorial on that, uh, just comment below, and I will probably post a short on my channel showing how to do that. So yeah, we in this process together. If you're a beginner, please like and subscribe. Um, and yeah, follow me through the journey, y'all. I appreciate you for watching. Peace.